Let's see this question. Well, given two equations, but with three variables. Usually situation like this is quite difficult to solve. Because if with three equations, three variables, that would be ideal to solve it. But let's try. So we have square terms. So why don't we just square this? Square both sides. Square both sides, then we get x squared plus y squared plus z squared, then plus the middle terms, right? The middle terms will be 2xy, 2yz, and 2xz. So that equals to 18 squared. Well, x squared, y squared, z squared is given as 108. So plus 2 times xy plus yz plus xz. That equals to 18 squared. Well, so subtract 108 on both sides. Then divide by 2 on both sides. So we get xy plus yz plus xz value. So if we calculate, let's see what we get. So 18 squared divided by 2. Think about 18, well, 18 squared, 18 times 18, right? Divided by 2 is 9. Then 8 times 9, 72. So 162. Then 108 divided by 2. This is 54. So 162 divided minus 54. You get 801. Interesting. You get a 108. So that's this value, xy plus yz plus xz equals to 108. So now what do we do? With this value, let's think about again. Let's think about this one. Let's think about x plus y, let's do it minus. Let's do x minus y squared plus y minus z squared plus x minus z squared. Okay, what is this? Well, that's x squared plus minus 2xy plus y squared plus y squared. So that's the first square, right? X squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Then the second square will give us y squared minus 2yz plus z squared. And the third square will give us x squared minus 2xz plus z squared. So why I want to do this? Because this gives me a hint. You see, the square term adds up to be 108. And these three, the middle term adds up to be 108. Now, let's see, this should give us a 0. You see, I have x squared, y squared, z squared, and yeah, and I think I'm missing, oh, y squared here. Y squared, I have 2y squared, 2x squared, 2z squared. So I have 2 of 108. Then minus 2 of xy, yz, xz. That's also 108. That's why I was thinking to use this. So this gives us a 0. That's the beauty of this. Right? Well, I have a square adds up to be 0. And we're in real number system. So that means each one has to be 0. Right? Each one has to be 0. because the least value of square in real number system is 0. So what does that give us? X minus y squared is 0. That means this is 0. That means x equals y. Same reason for z. So that means these three numbers are the same. So if those three numbers are the same, we'll go back to the first one. Right, that means 3x equals to 18. X equals to 6. So x, y, z all equals to 6. Okay, this is a Q question.